In this video, we'll explain how you can easily apply a screen protector to your phone. It's a good idea to watch the entire video first and then start applying your own screen protector. That way, you will know exactly what steps to follow and what to pay attention to. Make sure you have all the necessary items ready. These are your phone, the screen protector with the protective foil still on it, a packaged cleaning cloth, a drying cloth and stickers. Remove the cleaning cloth from the package and thoroughly clean your screen with it. Then take out the drying cloth and dry the screen. Because there may still be small dust particles on the screen, we use the stickers to remove these as well. To get a good look at the small dust particles, it helps to hold your device under a lamp. Once the screen is completely clean, you can remove the protective foil from the screen protector. Start at the top of the device and try to match the shape of the screen protector to the shape of your screen as much as possible. With a clear screen protector, the edge of the screen protector starts at the edge of the display. You can clearly see this when you turn the display on for a moment. With an edge-to-edge screen protector, the edge also starts at the edge of the device. You can apply a plastic screen protector just like you would apply a sticker, but it works a bit different when you have a glass screen protector. If the edges of your screen and the screen protector are well matched, you can gently apply the screen protector to the screen. It will now automatically stick to the screen by itself. Any bubbles under the glass can be removed by lifting one corner of the screen protector and gently putting it down again. It is also possible to remove them with, for example, a card. Now that the screen protector has been applied properly, you can enjoy your new phone without any worries.